my beauties! Wanna make your nails look pretty tonight? Cause we've got two beautiful shiny ideas waiting for you! Starting off with these super cute gel colors and using shiny ones for this one. The combination of the dark and bright colors is so amazing, gives the nail just the prettiest look. Letting it all dry, and now it's show time, baby! Time to cut it out a bit and add a thin layer of base coat and attach the nail design on top. We definitely want it in the same shape as the nail is, so it is nicely covered. Using tweezers so we don't cut out any more of the design than we should. Yep, it is looking quite amazing so far, and I am loving it. What about you guys? The top coat on top is an extra layer of shine, and it is glowing, baby! Such a cute nail art! I think I have my manicure idea ready for my next appointment. On to the next one, sweetie! And we're adding bright, beautiful white on this one. The design on this one is going to be shiny as well, so be prepared to be amazed. Would you look at all that shimmer? Fantastic! Am I right? Layer after layer until we're happy with the combination. Bringing out those lines makes the design super unique and gorgeous. And the application is just the easiest ever. I know we can all agree on this one. Time to clean out any excess product all around the nails to make them look super fresh and clean. See? I am loving this manicure already, and I cannot wait to see the final results on this one. Bringing this manicure to life with that super shiny top coat. Looking brilliant!